I sit for hours telling all the bluebirds. Hi besties and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is Saturday the 19th of July 2025 and I'm only opening up this vlog which is actually supposed to go live tomorrow. So I don't know how I'm going to do this, but it's most probably going to be a spend the day with me because I didn't vlog this week. I was not feeling well because my iron levels are on the floor. But yeah, I did get some iron supplements. A friend of mine got me some iron supplements, so we'll be back to our normal selves soon. So yeah, I'm just taking my morning walk. I'll just show you. I'm just taking my morning walk. Jesus Christ. Are they handy? Are they handy? Are they handy? So I was saying that I was trying to open up the vlog, but then I met some guys who were trying to talk to me, and I'm trying to open up a vlog. Someone's trying to talk to me. So yeah, it was just impossible to open up the vlog, but here we are. So I was saying that my iron levels are on the floor because I have iron deficiency because of my heavy period. It's a heavy flow, so that is why I have to take the supplements, and I hope I'll be back to my normal self soon because I'm feeling so weak, so exhausted, but I hope I'll be. I was saying I thought that this week I was going to do a better job at vlogging because last week I was feeling weak, I was exhausted, but I didn't know that it was my iron levels. I thought it was just exhaustion. Then I thought this week was going to be better. But then this week showed me flames. Then Friday was actually worse. I was weak. I was so weak. I was just so scared. I was just like, I don't know what's going on with me. But then yeah, I just hope these supplements are going to help because I'm not feeling like myself. But yeah, let's just hope this helps. Yeah. So I'll just spend the day with you guys. I don't know what I'm going to do today. I might go to church. There's an all-night prayer at church. If I feel better, I might go to church, which will mean that the vlog will be up a bit later tomorrow. But then if I don't go, I'm just going to just spend the day with me. So yeah, let's get into the vlog. So these are the iron tablets that I'm currently using. So I take one in the morning and then another in the evening. This is how they look. Yeah. Hi besties, it's later on in the day and I think it's almost 4 p.m. and your bestie has not yet bathed. I still need to take a bath. Yeah, I was doing things slower than usual, so that's why I haven't taken a bath even now. I had a lot to do but not enough energy to do it, so I was doing everything quite slowly. So now I'm just boiling my water. I'll go and take a bath and change most probably into PJs because the way I feel, I think I'm just going to sleep now because I feel so exhausted. I feel tired and I'm feeling dizzy. I've taken my iron tablet for the morning, but yeah, I'll need to take the other one. Yeah, so this is how bad it is. I'm trying to vlog because we need to have a vlog tomorrow. I cannot stop being consistent just because I'm not feeling well. Yeah, because this is something that I'm going to have to get used to because it's not going away like now. Like I cannot say next week I'll be fine because I've not taken the supplements in a while. So I need to get it together and make sure that I have enough footage to make up a vlog for Sunday. Hopefully next week we can go back to actually vlogging properly, not just to spend the day with me and stuff. So I hope you enjoy this vlog because I worked so hard to get this vlog together and I also have to edit this vlog. I hope you like, you enjoy, you comment, you subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to become a part of the family. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. So please support me guys. I'm trying so hard to put this together because I also failed to release the Vision Fighter video because I failed to actually shoot it. I was so tired, I was exhausted and I couldn't shoot it. I tried my level best but I couldn't do it. So I cannot miss Sunday again. I cannot miss 2 videos in a row. So yeah, I need to make sure that at least I have something and from next week I'll try to push myself to actually vlog for Fashion Friday. So just bear with me, guys. I am trying my level best. My blues here. Some ingrams moisture plus for the body. These animals. Yeah, okay. Some ingrams for my body. And I am currently using this Johnson's Baby Aqueous Cream because my face is breaking out so much these days. So I'm using this on my face because I'm not trying to irritate it any further. And then this is what I'm currently spraying. I think this is perfect for winter. It's a perfect winter scent. And my Bramley tissue oil. There's barely anything left in here. But this is what I'm also using since it's winter. What else am I using? Oh. And obviously my favorite girls. The Dove Even Tone Antiperspirant Spray and the Roll-On. And I've also added this one. I'm now alternating between the Soft Care, it's a Zambian brand, the Always, and the Cortex. To tell you the truth, I think the difference is just the same because my period is heavy, so there's not much of a difference. They all work the same. The issue is not the pads, the issue is my period, so I just have to get used to this. So let me change and then I can take a nap. You can ask the flowers. I see for hours, telling all the bluebirds, the pretty bluebirds, pretty little baby. I fell in love with you. What was that? I mean, what the hell was I doing? Anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you that I've managed to take a bath and I've changed into my PJ, and this is the PJ. I think I showed you guys this PJ in one of my Fashion Friday videos, but I never won it. I didn't wait for you guys because I had not yet ironed it. So now it's ironed and it's pretty cozy. It has a zip here so that I don't have an issue when I have to go to the bathroom. You know how jumpsuits are. So yeah, I'm now all clean. What the hell was I doing there? You know what? This whole situation is just so crazy because 1 minute I'm crashing out, the next minute I'm so hyper. This is what's going on in my body. Like 1 minute we're alright, we are fine. Then a few minutes later, we are tired. So yeah, this is better. Ooh, my face is breaking out so much. I do not like it, but it is what it is. There are much more bigger problems in the world than my face breaking out. I'm trying to take care of this, but yeah, kanani, we are gonna be alright. We're gonna be alright. So I just want to make myself a cup of tea and I'll sit on the couch and try to take a nap because I'm yet to lock the gate and the door. So if I go to bed right now, I'm going to fall flat asleep and wake up when it's already way too late for me to go outside to lock the gate. So yeah, let me just laze around on the couch, take a nap there, and then I will talk to you guys later. And if I don't, just know that I don't have the energy for it. I've used all the energy to close up the vlog, doing the crazy dance like a 2-year-old.